tornado watch until 3 a.m.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 213, effective until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Giles, Lawrence, Lewis, Marshall, Maury, Wayne, and Williamson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The storm which prompted the warning